Going out to take a walk. This is me. See, in my bag I have a bottle of drinking water and some snacks. So I'll be showing you today how I usually take my simple walks on a Sunday. It is usually like I go to near the water. There's a place, it's called Strommen. I usually go around there. So guys, follow me and this is how my walk goes. Hope you love it. And please don't forget to share, subscribe and like the video. See you. First I stop here, then I wait for my friend to come because she's joining me. She had gone out with my daughter, so I'm going to meet them. Then we go down because this place is just like 1, 2, 3 minutes from where I stay. So I have to wait for her around here because she had went with my daughter for swimming, so they are soon coming. So then we go down there. Hope you enjoy the video. Guys, in this my little bag, as you see it, I have like some snacks because you know when you go with children you have to be prepared all the time. And then a bottle of water because it's hot today. It's around 30 degrees warm. So yeah, specifically that is in my bag, and I have my earphone in case I get bored on the road. So that's all I have in my bag. So specifically this place is called the North Promenade, like the North walking street, all I can say. I like to go here under the trees. It's so cool. I like you don't feel it like it's warm or anything, unless when you leave the trees then you feel like, oh, but today it has been a warm day. Specifically it looks like this. It's very nice. The trees, like the leaves of the trees are shedding down because soon summer will be ending, so the trees are shedding out. Some are getting yellow like this. So in like 1.5 months time, you will see all these trees will be in a yellow color. Specifically, it will be all yellow. They won't be having any green on it. And before winter comes, they'll be dry. So hope you're around, so you see like the changing, like when it's changing, everything is changing around. So you will see the difference.